So we got a cheap Central Pneumatic from Harbor Freight. It's their mini detail gun. That's an airbrush motor that was left behind by the old owners of this building, along with these hoses that they connected to some of their equipment. So I don't exactly know the output of this thing. I believe it to be between 35 and 55 psi. I don't know how many CFM, but we're gonna just do a test here and see if we can get this little detail gun to work on it. I know an little airbrush would work, but we'll see what happens. It's got an on-off valve. Probably add a moisture trap right here if it works, but for now I'm not gonna waste threading one on. So we'll see. So you can see, maybe, not sure if you'll be able to try it out. Definitely pressure coming out. I've never used one of these guns before. So I noticed that you can feel some pulsing in the airflow, but I think that if you let this hose fill up with a little pressure, the pump has a blow off here that appears. So now it's hitting it. Yeah, now you don't, yep, and you can hear the pump come down. Well, I don't know why that wouldn't work. So for a test, I'll just put the cup on here. Such a cute little sprayer, you know, and fill it with a little water. Get a little water down in there. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. Can you see? I'm not sure you can see that. That folder is and then if we adjust some of these settings here, boy, yeah, should work just fine. You can see Get good coverage with it. I'm happy if that's how the paint comes out of there. So what we're gonna do is paint some rust stop, not just rust preventer, but the actual rust stop primer, and then paint the plow bracket. And there you hear that blow by. And the only thing with setting it up this way is right here normally you'd have a disconnect, and maybe I'll put one in to make it a little more convenient. But there was no leaks. I was happy. You can't get much better than that, other than this water's gonna come draining out of here right in the office. Probably should have done this out in the shop, but trying to have the internet close by. Oh yeah, that worked just fine. I'm happy. So yeah, we'll paint that plow bracket, the mounting bracket on that new Western plow we got to replace that shitty Meyer. Oh fuck, now I just spilled water all over a bunch of stuff. But hopefully it works. I don't know. I don't know how happy I'll be with the performance of it, but worth a shot. That way we still don't have the big main compressor set up, so, but I don't have, the one we got is somebody left at our old bar that was open in the basement, and so it seems to be that the regulators froze up. I can't regulate the outbound pressures of 120 psi when there's 120 in the tank, and that's where the shutoff is, at about 1 1/4. So we'll have to see here, but let's see. Oh, we're gonna get one of those JVC HD cameras, so I'll have a review of that too, because the GoPro, I broke the back frickin' deal. I don't know if I have it here. Yeah, these latches, the plastic, got it somewhere, and you know, I made this paper clip attachment that goes around like so. Boom. And then you just go like that. I mean, it holds it shut to keep the camera in there, but these latches just seem so tacky. Well, with that JVC one, you can go into 14, 18 feet of water or something without putting it on there. It's got an LCD, Wi-Fi on it, so I think for $100, that's a third of the normal price. It's brand new. I'll go get that. So, see you guys soon.